Guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna be doing this look right here, fall makeup look to the max. Like, I seriously feel like fall right now. Like, my lips, my eyes, it's just fall all over the place, and my house too. If you guys have seen my video, you know that it is fall in my house. So here we have a fall makeup look. I had so much fun creating this. I'm gonna be going out today, and I was like, let me just record for you guys since I'm gonna be getting ready anyway. And I was gonna be wearing this shirt, and I'm like, this is like the perfect shirt for fall for this video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I want to apologize if you guys can hear noise everywhere. It's Saturday, I'm gonna go out, and I was like, I'm gonna get ready anyway, so let me just record this look for them since I'm gonna be getting ready anyway. So it's Saturday, the kids are here, the dogs are making noise, everyone's here, so I apologize for that. There's nothing I can do about it. So yeah, let's get started. I already prepped my face as always. I don't use anything special. I literally just use some lotion in my face, and then from CoverGirl, and it's just a skin smoothing primer. So that's literally all I use. And now I'm gonna jump right into foundation, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Superstay. I'm just gonna be using my Real Techniques sponge to blend it out. So it's my first time using a Real Techniques beauty sponge in like years. I used to use them back then, and then I stopped using them, and I just bought one again. And is it just me, or do they make them different now? Because it's like harder, like it's not as soft as it used to be, and I feel like it doesn't get as big as it used to when you wet it. Is it just me, or did they do something to it? Okay, so we're finished with foundation, and now I'm gonna do concealer. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set it with my Airspun setting powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna be bronzing and contouring my face, and I'm gonna be using my NYC Sunny Bronzer. And now I'm gonna contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of contour to my nose, but not crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna add some blush, Milani Luminoso. Now I'm gonna bake under my contour. And then a little bit on my nose. time to do my eyebrows. Okay, so today I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. The one that is like a little bit thicker, in the color medium brown. And like always, I'm just gonna line up the bottom and then fill it in with brow powder. Okay, so I'm done with the eyebrows. I'm just gonna clean them out with some concealer. So now I'm just gonna set the concealer with some translucent powder. Okay, so now it's time to do my eyes. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do, but I do know the colors I'm gonna be using. It's gonna be a fall look. So I'm gonna be using this NYX palette. I don't know if it's new, I don't know if it's old. Honestly, I don't know, but I saw it at Walmart and I love the colors. So this is the one I'm gonna be using and we'll see what comes out. I'm gonna be going in with the lightest shade right here. And then I'm gonna keep going like darker and darker and darker. So this shade is not really doing anything for me. So I'm gonna grab another palette and use it. I'm gonna grab the Anastasia one. I'm gonna go in with burnt orange. Oh, and this brush that I'm using, this is like a chunky blending brush. It's from the Makeup Shack and it's the T43. So now I'm gonna use this one right here, and I'm gonna use a different brush. This is, I don't know, it doesn't have a number or anything. Sorry. I'm gonna go back with the chunkier blending brush and just try to blend this together. Okay, so now I'm gonna use an even smaller blending brush. This is from the Makeup Shack too, and it's the T67. And I'm gonna go with this shade right here. So now I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade. Okay, so now I think I'm going to do a cut crease. Wish me luck. I'm just gonna use the same concealer to do the cut crease. Okay, now let's just pray the other one looks the same. Okay, so they don't look exactly the same, but I can work with this. On the lid, I'm gonna be using an eyeshadow from, let me check. Oh, it's Makeup Geek, and it's called Flame Thrower. Thrower? I don't know, something like that, but it looks like this. Now I'm just gonna add it with a flat brush. If this doesn't scream fall, I don't know what does. Seriously, look. Fall everywhere. Now, I think... I don't know if I want to leave it like this or if I want to add glitter, like a... I'm not even going to mess with the glitter. I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to do my bottom lash line. I love it. All right, so I think I am going to add a little bit of glitter, but I'm gonna add it in the inner corner. Or maybe not. I can't freaking open it. Can't open it. I'm gonna set my face now. And today for highlight, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood. And I really love this highlighter. It's super beat up. You guys, I'm so sorry if the lighting kept changing and like it got darker right now. It's because I was using the window for lighting and it's getting dark outside, so I had to like move some things around in my lights and everything. The good thing is that I am almost finished. Like I literally just need to put my eyelashes on and my lips and I'm almost finished. So I hope this doesn't bother you guys. I hope it doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna set my face now with my Urban Decay All-Nighter. Lashes that I'm going to be using today are the Flutter lashes and Intoxicating. That's the name. Can't leave without my coffee. I'm so lazy. I still have to do my hair, choose an outfit, get the kids ready. Alright, so I bought this thing. It's for eyelashes, and I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna see if I can actually use it. I don't know. It looks a little hard, but we'll see. It was actually not that hard. Okay, so now it's time to do my lips, and I'm gonna be using my Jordana lip liner, the one I always use. Okay, so the lipstick that I'm gonna be using, you guys, why am I like this? It doesn't have, I don't even know what brand it is. I just know that the name is Cloud. I don't even know, but it's like a, you guys will see right now. It's like a burnt orange kind of lipstick, which I'm not a big fan of. Like, you won't see me with like dark lipstick a lot, but for this fall video, I said, why not? Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like how it came out. It literally is a fall makeup look, like everywhere. It's so pretty. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. And thank you so much for watching.